Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Block Product Access by IP and Country. In this tutorial, I will explain you how the store owner can block the specific products by IP addresses and countries. This extension can be of great help for the store owner to prevent the orders from countries where he don't serve. Display a customized message to the users on the product page if the product is not available at their address. Now let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's start with module configuration. From here, admin can choose to hide the product on shop. If enabled, then the product will not be visible to the customer on the shop if the product is blocked for his or her country. From here, admin can enable or disable the display of product detail page. If disabled, then the product page will not be displayed to the user if the product is blocked for his country or IP address. If enabled, then admin needs to set the product unavailability message that will be displayed to the user at the front end. In this field, admin can choose whether he wants to block the product by customer's shipping address or IP address. After configuring the module settings, let's see how admin can restrict the product for countries or IP addresses. Go to Catalog, Products, Edit Product Page, Modules. From here, admin can block the product for several countries and IP addresses. Now let's have a look at the front end. Suppose admin has enabled the display of product detail page from here and blocked the product for some countries. Now, if a registered customer visits the product page and the shipping address is of the country where admin has blocked the availability of the product, then this message will be displayed on the product page. Suppose admin has disabled the display of the product detail page. Now, if a customer clicks on the product block, then he will not be able to view the product page and gets redirected to the home page. If admin has enabled hide products on shop from here, then in this case the products will not be visible on the entire shop if the products are blocked for the customer's country. If the user is not logged in, then the extension detects the customer country using the IP address. If the product is blocked for the customer's country, then a message is displayed on the product page regarding the unavailability of the product.